Happy Monday, everyone. So today I thought, why don't we just decorate my house for Halloween? Because it's long overdue. It should have been up all year. Also, yes, this is my kitchen. This is like my somewhat newish house, so welcome. So before we start decorating, I always like to go through all my things and see what I have and kind of like get an idea of what I want to do. And also I want to see if like everything still works. Because there's nothing more annoying than putting everything up and then realizing all of your lights are not working for no reason. So we're gonna do that. This is my like big tub of things that I've collected in the past couple of years. Up here we have things that I kind of like collected through the past month or two because I just couldn't help myself. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. The first half of this video is gonna be sort of like a haul, I guess, and if everything turns out alright, then we'll start decorating. So first things first, gotta get in the spirit. So, what else do we have in here? We have a really spooky towel. Don't know why that's in here. We have this sign, this DIY sign that we made. It says Spooky Fortnite Corner because last year when Fortnite was sweeping the nation, all of my roommates were doing nothing but playing Fortnite. And it was a scary time. It got to a point where my one roommate, Noah, set up a TV downstairs in the living room so that we could use our normal TV and he could still play Fortnite and still like hang out with all of us. So we then called it the Spooky Fortnite Corner because it was terrifying. Luckily, we moved out of that house and there's no room for an extra TV in our living room. So, that's that. We got some spooky cobwebs. This is for my mom. It's like a little pumpkin lantern thing. I'm sorry. These are Christmas lights. What are they doing in my Halloween bucket? We also have some leaves because we live in Arizona now. We meaning me, and we don't have leaves or foliage or anything that isn't dirt. So, might as well just try and trick ourselves. What else? We have a cute sock. More Christmas lights. Okay. Here's some Halloween lights. They're like the little candy corn, lighted, shaped, colored. Have more of those. What the hell is your problem? These are more Christmas lights, and I'm just like really confused and scared why they keep showing up. Sign that says "Welcome my pretties." Wizard of Oz reference. Got some really spooky chains. Love a scarf. Bro, you gotta be fucking with me right now. That's mistletoe. Who did this? Super cool skellies. Don't really know what I'm gonna do with that. We are not done. And I haven't even started the new stuff yet. Got some battery powered lights. Hopefully they work. They do. That's it from like the stuff I already have. So, I first went to Michael's because they were like one of the first stores to have Halloween stuff out. I got these like pumpkin heads, and then we have these LED purple and orange lights. I also got some glow-in-the-dark cobwebs, and also I got this cool little ghost guy. Thought I could like put him outside or something. Don't know how it's gonna work. I don't have grass. I have like rocks because I live in Arizona. And then, of course, we had to go to Target. We got some more of that cobweb fabric thing. And then I got some more battery-powered lights. They're green, and that's about it. So I guess we just start decorating. Okay, so I totally didn't record me decorating at all. I got overwhelmed, to say the least. I had a energy drink and then just like went to town and like got tunnel vision and just finished decorating. So sorry for that, but instead we're just gonna do a quick little house tour because everything's all done and over with. So you didn't have to sit through the stress. I did. Just letting you know, everything's still a work in progress. It's just like the beginnings, like the base coat. So we're gonna start with the entryway. Right here we have our shrine. Hi, Mr. Obama. Nice to meet you. So this is our shrine. It's got a lot of collectibles on it from just past memories. Definitely none of my doing. None of this is... I'm not 21 yet. I mean, how could that be mine? For this shelf, I just added these cool little green LED lights that are battery powered. They're on a timer, which is super cool. And I just added some cobwebs to make things a little spooky. It's like really simple, but really effective. And of course we have Mr. Michael Myers down here. So then we go to the kitchen. I had this like chain left over. I didn't really know what to do with it, so I just made it a centerpiece. And this pumpkin was here, and then we put a nice fall scented candle right there. So for the rest of the kitchen, I added that pumpkin, put some leaves on the cabinets to make it more fall-esque, because like I said before, we live in Arizona, so there's no such thing as fall here. So yeah, added that pumpkin, and then I added these candy corn colored lights around the rest of the kitchen. I might add something for like the lights right here, just, you know, just to add to the spook factor. And now we're gonna go on to the living room. That was a burp. Going on to the living room where I'm watching Hocus Pocus. So fetched up. Yeah, it's pretty self-explanatory. So over here on LeBron James, we got some lights wrapped around him. We put a spooky mask over his face, wrapped the lights all around the roof, and then we got Michael B. Jordan, and he's got a mask on too. And then on the entertainment center, we have these cute leaves with some purple lights, and we put white cobwebs over the TV. So, super spooky, super Halloweeny, super festive. And then this brings us to the gaming dining room-ish area. So for the dining room table, I got this, well, that's the pumpkin I hand out candy with, and it's like super big, if you can't tell. Like, there's my hand, there's a size comparison. Can't really tell, but it's huge. I just fill that with candy and like hand that out on Halloween, and whatever's left over, I eat it. So, and then in here, I was thinking of making sort of a photo op area. So I created these like mural cobweb things on the walls, and they're kind of big walls, so kind of had to fill up the space. So on this wall we have these cobwebs, some spiders, some orange lights, and then over here we have some more cobwebs, a big cobweb with some like little skeleton dudes. There's 4 of them, and I feel like it kind of represents me and my 3 roommates, just the 4 of us. Isn't that great? Isn't that really cute? Okay guys, and now it's like sort of dark, as you can see. I'm going to show you the outside real quick. Okay, so this is my front porch. Again, it's still a work in progress. This is like the basic. Also got Mr. Ghost Dude over there, so that's cool. Got these lights. That's about it. And all we need is some pumpkins. That's basically it. If you enjoyed it or appreciate the work that I put in, give this video a like, give me some comments to read for fun, and subscribe. Have a magnificent Monday, Sasquatches. Bye-bye! I feel like I should have lit some candles first to add on to the... Yeah, let me do that. Now we're talking. Bye, LeBron. LeBron, say bye. He's so rude. Celebrities.